this is our bird savanna, and right here we actually have our sun conure. Okay, they are known as sun conure, and we also have our jende parakeet. No. Okay, the greenish one. Okay, how do you actually differentiate them? The more yellowish color will be the sun conure or the sun parakeet, and the green over there is our jende parakeet. We have one over there. It's our jende, but all of them are from Brazil. They are very vocal. They make a lot of chirping noise. Okay, 24/7. They are frugivorous birds, meaning their main diet will be fruits. But of course, we feed them also with nuts. Sunflower seed or kochi we call it, being their favorite. They go nuts over kochi. If you wish to feed them and hold them on your farms, you can actually get the bird